Chipotle is live!
In 11 minutes, Emeka Cisse will try Chipotle for the very first time. Emeka, how do you feel?
I feel great. It's me again.
No one cares.
It's me again.
No.
It's me again.
Anything you want to say? No? Great. This is going to be a good video. Oh, the people are going to love it. They're going to love it.
Brown rice, please. I need to look. I need to see what's going on. Let me get the black beans, please. Waves of veggies. I can have a little bit. There's not much, but what's that creamy stuff?
No, that's cheese.
That's cheese. Yeah, let me have a little bit, please. Yeah, that looks nice.
I'll put the forks in the bag.
So why did they cover it like this?
Because we didn't tell them we wanted it here.
But now we're gonna now struggle. Chipotle! Could you imagine if I said you just swallow? What would you say?
I wouldn't care.
It'll probably fall out.
So now I've got a nice bit here. Can you see it? Okay, for watch. Okay, this is beauty right here. They need to see my eyes. It's nice. But it's nice though, because I've got cheese, lettuce, avocado. What's that stuff? What's that called? Salsa. And you know I was going to sing the Chief Keef song. I love salsa. You wasn't ready for that. Forgot it.
It's a tortilla chip.
It's a chip.
So take one of these.
That's tacos, bro.
No, it's a tortilla chip. That's what it's
I'm not
called.
gonna argue with you. Okay.
But the chips is the one that you get from McDonald's.
No, you're talking about French
That's
fries.
fries.
Those are not fries, bro.
What
Yeah.
this say?
Yeah, it's just because it
What
says
does that
chips. Just because it says chips doesn't. Yeah, just because it says chips doesn't mean it's chips. This is not. How can
Then
it
what
be
does it
chips?
mean?
Chips is meant to be skinny and long. This is not.
That's fries.
Those are called fries.
These are the ones that you get from those Dorito packs.
Yeah, Doritos with the chips.
Okay, let's put some aside. Nope, that ain't it.
You don't like it?
Well, just stick with the tortilla.
Yeah, try with the guacamole.
He has guac on his
Oh yeah.
Just say that.
So usually I'll get the chips with the guacamole.
I need that out. It's just because it's so dry.
I'm trying to figure out why he didn't
You got your own guacamole.
No, I'm taking the chips.
Yeah, but you got your own guacamole right there.
No, that's for my food.
And this is for me.
I'm trying to figure out why y'all taking my chips when it's the whole bag right there.
Oh, there's more.
Oh.
I didn't know.
My parmesan. So first thoughts.
With the chips.
No, about Chipotle in general.
Oh, Chipotle is good. But it's not bad good though. Look what I've got right here though. Look what I've got. I've got the rice and the beans thing at the bottom.
Everyone knows what Chipotle is.
No, you don't. This, look at my one, yeah? Hey, listen. I've got the rice and the beans at the bottom. And then I've got the cheese. And then what's this sauce called? What's this sauce called?
Queso.
I got the queso there. I put cheese, avocado on top with lettuce. Can you see how it's lining? So when I am cutting it like this, yeah, I'm getting all the flavors. Can you see it? Are you deep in what I'm doing? Deep what I'm doing. Now watch this. I'm having about 3-4 flavors in my beautiful mouth right now, and it just good. It's not wrong.
Ew.
Oh, I should have been doing this then from before. Hold on. Woo-hoo. Avocado. Like having comfort. Yeah, the bread is nice. Better than that one.
It's called a tortilla.
What's a tortilla? No, wait, hold on. I need to try this again. This is better than the chips thing that you call chips, which is Doritos, but alright.
I hate you.
Is it Doritos? It is Doritos. That's not chips, bruv. Oh, God. But I've got some in there. Ladies and gentlemen, he goes in for the goal. He shoots. And he scores.